Hey guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to solve the fixed download problem of Google Play Store or all the fixed problems of Play Store very easily. I will share 3 tips with you and hopefully these 3 tips will work 100% of you. So let's get started. I'm not going to explain these settings to you because the video will be long. If you think you know anything, please comment me. Now, first you open the Play Store apps on your phone. Then click on the 3 dots at the top left. Then go to the setting option below. Here you will find an option Apps Download Performance, click here. Then select the Over Any Network option. Then click on Done. Now I am going on the second trip. Log into your Play Store apps. Then click on the 3 dots on the left again. Then go to Setting Options. Then scroll down the page a bit. Here you see an option Play Store version, click here. Then click on Got it. Now I am going on the third trip. First go to the Settings option of your phone. Then scroll down the page a little. You can see an option called Apps here, now click here. This page has all the apps on your phone, now you can find the Play Store apps from here. See, the Play Store apps are here, now click on the Google Play Store. Now enter the storage option here. Now click on Clear Cache on the bottom right. Then click on the Clear Data option on the left. And click on OK. Then you go back to the software page. Access the Google Play Services software from here. Then go to Storage in the same way. Similarly here, first click on Clear Cache. Then click on the Manage Storage option at the bottom left. Click on the Clear All Data option here. See, all your unnecessary data has been deleted. Now your Play Store will work properly. I hope the video will be useful to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.